Here's how to add WhatsApp on Facebook. So for us to get started, what you're going to do from this point forward is really just click the edit profile here on your Facebook profile. And then I want you to scroll down until you see links. I have added here my Instagram, for example. We're going to go ahead and add WhatsApp by clicking the edit button in there and then click add social link. Now here, you're going to choose the right platform. So I'm going to click this and choose WhatsApp, which is found down here. Afterwards, you are going to be asked to enter your username. Now take note that the username is referring, by the way, to your number. So to find that, you're going to head over to your WhatsApp, click this three dots here, and then we're going to open the settings. Now in our settings, you should be able to see here your number. Go ahead and click that, and then you can just go ahead and copy it from here. So again, please take note that you have remembered it, otherwise you won't be able to proceed. Now, once you have found it, you can go back there and then you can go ahead and enter it here. So just go ahead and do the same steps or the same format. All right, there you go. As you can see, after doing that one, I am now able to click the done button here. Now I'm going to go ahead and tap the save button. And there you go. So I can close this one and I can refresh this. After doing so, you should be able to see it here. Go ahead and click that, and then you can click that WhatsApp over there, and then it's just gonna redirect you to contact that particular number. And that, everybody, is how you are going to add WhatsApp on Facebook.